Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. In this session, we will talk about two important T codes which an developer has to use it, or normals, even the ordinary user of SAP end user. He's also supposed to use those one of that those the T codes. So those T codes which are our today's agenda are one is SE43, right? SE43, that is it's area. It is to create to create and change what in the area menu. What is area menu? It's a startup menu as when we log on to SAP. So there comes a SAP Easy Access menu in which there are some favorites on the top and module wise all the T codes are uh, listed, right? So, so in order to facilitate the SAP users that they may need this to customize them as per their requirements for the end users, right? So SE43 and SU3. This is also a frequently used T code, which is actually for you use it for to to set up some default values of some environmental variables which you have in the SAP environment, right? Like what SAP menu or which the custom menu which you have. So you if you want to set up something, so you can use it, or any other like the company code which you want it to be a default setting to take place for when you are logged. So you don't have to enter the company code. You don't have to enter the plant and or uh, uh, the frequently used fields. Yeah. So you will find those values to be appearing. They will appear automatically. So that saves your time. So these two, this is for default values of environment, SAP environment variables. Right. Yeah, so you set them these two. I'm writing it just for them. Means our program sees only these rows, right? Okay. So we are not going to enter them into the index, right? Which is actually used for the ABAP's day-to-day activities, ABAPers, so they can just with the click of a button, right? So this is for our today's session only. We will remove them. Okay. Don't worry about that. That what we have done it. Let me move it somewhere. Yes, just to not confuse you with that. Okay, so these are the our today's agenda, and let's log into SAP, right? So we are logging in. Sometimes it takes time, but don't worry. Be patient. Means bear with us, and this is okay. So this is we are now connected to SAP. We straight away go uh, to SE43, which we talk about the area menu, right? SE43, right? So this is the area menu. You can create a new area menu and you can change the existing. Uh, so changing and creating is all the same. For the creation, you need a new name. And for the changing, you need this is the difference, right? That's it. Okay. So let's you. So we have a Z. We use a Z as part of our naming convention, and any new name for this. Okay. So you can give any new name for this for a BEPA or that. Okay. So okay. So let's change it. So we have so in this we have this toolbar, and we can create some top line item, right? For example, we're replacing here the cursor here on the top line, and then you click here, then you get this level item, right? And placing your cursor here, and you click this, it means you want the subnodes for this, right? Like this, okay? So we have created these two menus with some items like master data, customer data, and customer data have some subnodes in which these are the for example, in the description, and you can make the change. And in order to create a new thing, for example, here you want to add a new node, then you can place the cursor. You can place the cursor to appropriate entry, and you can add a new thing, right? You can add a new subnote in it, right? For example, you want to add a new thing. For example, you want to add data dictionary, right? Data dictionary is SE11. Okay. So first of all, you type a header for it, that is ABAP tools, data tools, data tools. Since we are making this, we are talking about the ABAPers tool. So ABAPers are normally required to add some uh, uh, to have certain what do you say, that access to the SE11 and SE16, right? This is frequently needed then. So this is the place where you can add them, okay, and you can change them, and you can add some entry, okay, as a transaction and as a menu. You can add certain description in it, or make the changes in this in right now. Okay. Now, if you want to add the two entries in it, you have to put the cursor here and add. In here, you can write SE11, for example, that is for data dictionary. And you also want SE16, which we talked in a previous video. Yeah, so that is data browser, right? Data tools. Okay, so it's like that. So now you have the two entries in your data tools, right? And you save it, right? Right. So now you can view it. So it appears like this, right? Yes. You have the two entries in the data tools. You have three entries in the master data. You have uh, further entries in the material, for example, right? And that's it. Okay. So to check if all these things are working, uh, you can directly execute, since you are in the SAP. You can open it, for example, creating a customer, right? So you can check it. It is rightly showing it for you. Okay. So this is how it is appearing. And now, if you want to use this menu in your mm, as a default menu, right? Normally, you have this menu as a default. SAP Easy Access. You have this menu. Now you want to replace this menu with this. So for this, you are going to uh, go to SU3. And in the SU3, this is the other thing which we were talking about, that after SE43, in which we created the area menu, and SU3 will help you set up your default. There are certain settings. So without changing any other setting, we just want to specify that we want a start menu different than the normal one, right? So what is that menu? Our menu name is this, SAP Easy, right? And uh, we save it, right? So now to try it, if it works, so we go to SAP menu. Yes, yes, you see, it is our menu is now replaced. Now the ordinary SAP menu is replaced with our newly created menu, right? So these are the things. So these are abridged. It's good for the SAP users who do not want unnecessary, unwanted things to be displayed in the menu. Only those things which are means to remain, which are their day-to-day use, which are of their day-to-day use, they should listen, so that they can quickly jump to what they intend to do, right? Okay, so let's try it if it has really become the default menu for us. So let's log off and we get back to our tool. This is our ABAPers tool, right? And we ask this time, log on to SAP, and you would see that it is logged on with the new area menu, right? In which we used the SE43 to create or change or make changes in our selected area menu. And to set up it, if we want to get back to the ordinary, the default menu, so we will have to go back to SU3, SU3, and in the SU3 we go to the default menu and we remove this entry, and that's it. And we save it. So this will take us to what, pressing Control F11 or going to menu. So this will take us back to our ordinary default SAP Easy Access menu. Okay. So this is a good thing used for the users, in which we informed you, we we introduced you, we explained you, maybe you, most of you already know that. Just this is intended for those who find it useful. The SE43 is used to create or change the area menu, whereas SU3, it sets the default value for the SAP environment variables, right? So if we want to set, so we have to log on to SAP, and we use SE3 to set our already created custom menus, right? And if we want to create even a new menu uh, for the area menu, a new area menu, so SE43 would be the right thing. So this is how we make use of this functionality, and that helps you, save your time and searching time, or if you want to go to a particular desired operation of a SAP T code. So you don't have to waste much time to navigate to your desired operation. All you need is your custom area menu, and these are executed quickly and conveniently. I hope you liked it, and thank you very much for supporting my efforts, for my channel, and I look forward to your participation in my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.